To use Quick Share on the Samsung Z Fold 8, first of all, you will have to start by opening the settings, go into the connected devices and then tap on the Quick Share. As you can see, you will have to select who can share with you. So decide which one, let's say for me, everyone for 10 minutes. And right now, if you want to share some specific files, let's say that I want to share, for example, some photos. I'm picking the photo. Now I'm clicking on this dedicated share button. And now just make sure that you are gonna turn on the quick sharing on this second device. So for me, this is not a Samsung phone, that's actually the different Android. I have to also go for the more connections. I have to search for a quick share and I have to make sure that I'm gonna turn it on. There we go. Now it's visible to the other devices and right now I can quick share on my Samsung. Now I'm waiting for nearby devices and I can click here on this second device and now I have to accept. And it actually works the same from a second way. So if I want to share these files from my the other Android phone into the Z Fold 8. So receive, send, that's quite simple. If someone wants to share something with you, you have to switch from the send to the receiver and now just wait for a pop-up notification. By clicking here, you can also quickly go for quick share settings if you want to manage something.